Hey guys, so as I described in the other video, I got a new GoPro set up, and I want to give you guys a crash course on the new setup using the GoPro Hero 8. So this is my showy RF 1200 helmet, my trusty RF 1200. Basically, you need a GoPro 8, a Hero 8, and a media mod. The media mod is you don't use these microphones because they just would pick up too much sound. But the one benefit of the media mod is you have the 3.5 microphone aux, whatever you want to call it, input, and that's kind of what allows us to revert back to the old days of using GoPro 3s with wires. I don't like the wires. I much preferred the last setup I had, which was a GoPro 4 with a Sena backpack, which connected to my Sena 20S via Bluetooth. No wires, no nothing. That was much preferred, but GoPro hasn't allowed any manufacturers to make such backpacks or whatever anymore, and this is the other option. So it's a little cheaper than buying the by like $10 than buy the adapter, and the adapter is bulky. It's like this big, the GoPro adapter. Sorry guys, I'm recording my phone. I'm not used to the perspective. Some guys ruining my vlog here, but anyway, so this is a Purple Panda microphone. I forget what the lav mic, I think it's what they're called. I bought it on Amazon. It was like $35, I want to say. The media mod I got from GoPro directly, which was like $75 or $85. So it's a little bit of an investment, but as you can hear in my other videos using this setup, it's quality is still pretty great. So yeah, I have a basic GoPro mount right there, and I got a couple of contraptions here. You might be able to do it a little cleaner. I'm still kind of working with it, but this seems to work. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. Inside though is where I have as you can see there, I have the lav mic connected with it feeds through the helmet right here. I have a little in the emergency strap. I have a bunch of wires because it's a really long wire. They don't have a short one, but then in the inside, that's where the microphone is, right here. So this fuzzy, what are they called? Cat something or other. Keeps the noise out, and obviously this chin strap thing keeps the noise out, the wind noise. So it works pretty well. But that's my setup. You don't hear much wind noise. You can hear the bike still. You can hear. Actually, this microphone's so good, it picks up my my Sena headphones in here. You might even hear some music because I'm listening to music while I'm talking. But yeah, it's a pretty good microphone, guys. But that's the setup, and it sounds good. Hope this helps somebody, and because I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to use. I wanted to upgrade for a long time to the 6, to the 7, and I didn't want to lose the Sena backpack. But as soon as I heard the media mod was coming out, it pretty much solved my issues, and I went with that, and here we are. Alright guys, have a good one, ride safe, take it easy.